What do we got? Oh, can you hot dog on? On. Addie, let's open. Open. Mom, I need to show you how again. Oh, good. In. We're going to put the cheese in. Can you close the door? Addie? Addie, let's close the door. Addie? Mama's going to close the door. Oops, got the rice stuck in there. And we're going to go. We're going to go. Whoa! The cheese is cooking. Beep, beep, beep. All done. All done. Open. Addie, can you open? Mama help ya? Open. This is a new one, I know. Can you open? Oh. Addie?
Let's go with what she's doing.
Turkey. You want to put the turkey in the microwave? Here, let's cook the turkey. Put the turkey in.
Turkey. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Turkey. In. Oh, croissant in. Good.
Daddy likes a croissant.
Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Press Addie. Start. Press button. Press. Can you push? Push. Addie. Push. Oh, can Mama push? Let's push and see what happens. Addie, let's look look in the microwave. Oh. Oh. Open. Open.
Is it all done?
All done. All done. Open. Oh. Do it close. Okay. Push. Push. You got a hot dog. Oh, yummy. Come on, me have some of that hot dog.
Maybe she wants to put it in the bag, Mama.
Oh. You want to put in? Oh, good. Bye-bye, bun. Bye-bye. Hot dog. Bye-bye, hot dog. Bye-bye. Okay.
Let's shake it?
Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Good.
Getting rid of that one, huh? Chip. Crunch, 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 crunch. Yummy. Oh, you want to put the turkey in? I wonder if this is too advanced for her.
She's fine.
She's not really
Let her
following.
go.
Okay. Addie. Bun. Yum, yum. Can Mama take out the roll? Let's get the roll. Oh. Put the roll on a plate. Mm-mm. Ooh, I found some juice.